Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on the X application so that you can enjoy a comfortable viewing experience, especially at night. So in order to do that, first of all, launch the X app open on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into the account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top left corner from the home screen. In the expanded menu, go to the bottom left and look for the sun kind of an icon, tap on it, and then this will open up this pop-up menu from where you can toggle on the button right next to dark mode. Soon after you turn on the dark mode option, you will see that your X application interface has now turned dark. You can also select other theme options such as dim or lights out, and there you have it. That's how you can easily turn on dark mode on X application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.